Hey, yo, what's going on, guys? It's Tyler Gaming Vale here, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be showing my printed washing machine. So like yesterday's video, I showed some of it, but this time I'm going to show even more of it. So it's not a review, so I'm going to work it. I'm gonna do a couple things. So I would see you there. Okay, guys, we are here, and so here it is. I'm gonna show you. So just a quick time. So this tube is connected to here. So this is not the tube that came with this. It came with my old washer. So as you can see, this stuff right here. Okay, so I'm gonna do, so this time I'm gonna do a load, and then if you guys want to do a no load, then I'll do that in the next episode. So actually I'm gonna do like no clothes, but I was gonna wash these swimsuits, but I'm gonna start getting this set up. So yeah. I'm gonna start filling this up, and I'll show you guys when it's filled up. I am back, so yeah, hold on. Okay, that would take the water out of the tube. And it's also foggy in here, so. Okay, so this was running the whole time, as you saw. So I switched this to drain. Hold on, let me show you what I did. So, okay, there we go. Okay, so it's draining. And then there's a drain right there and a lot of paddles. So this thing is better than my old washer. So some of you guys are thinking, is it worth it? If you guys are in an apartment, then yeah, it's worth it. So yeah, there's a spin dryer that could dry clothes pretty quickly. Not dry, not completely dry though. Okay. So while that's draining, then I'm gonna switch it back to standard. So usually I rub this part, then you can see through. Okay, here's with that thing in. Okay, here it is. That was just a quick spin. So this time I'm gonna let it slow down. This time I'm letting it slow down. It looks fast on camera, but it's not too fast. Once you buy it, it's actually a little slow. Not too slow. Here's the video, so. This is when I first saw the one course. Right, stop, I'm filming a video. Okay, so this is so here's the spinner. So also here is without it. Can you stop that? So this is without it. Looks fast on camera. Looks faster than normal washer, but you can try. But it can take water out of your clothes. I'll show you in another video. And if we get 5 likes on this video, I would make another washing machine video. Oh, and another thing I forgot to show you. So this is the same thing again. So here it is. So what? So I could switch the timer off, and then so when I open it, it would break it. Not break it like it would be broken, just like breaks it like it stop like that. So even if you keep it running like that and you open it, it's gonna keep doing it. Also, if you want to know how this works, so this right here, that's a sensor. So even if you put your finger on it, it's not gonna work. Also, here's the side. I'm gonna show you the side spinning. Okay, that was a quick spin. So always when you have these washers, so you can also use this as a guide if you like. And also need always when you're finished with the washer, you need to put this in here. This isn't the best portable washer. I mean mini portable washer. It looks big, but it's very small. Hold on, I'll show you guys. So as you guys can see, it's up to my leg right there. So that's the size against me. It's not very big, but okay, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed it. So see you guys back at the office. We are back to where we are in my office. As you can see, there's some laundry. Actually, and then if we get like more than 5 likes, then actually if we get about 7 likes on this video, I would do a video in the washer right there. So also I'm gonna use my GoPro with that. Also, so hope you guys enjoyed the video, and so you can also use this as a guide if you like. Not much of a guide, but yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out. I am back. I also managed to go to Berlin and use the washer, so I put the tube on top of here. And just for a quick reminder of this, so just remember, this is the spin dryer. So it looks big, but it's actually very small. So this is my hand when I'm 9 years old. So yeah, it's pretty small. Also, it comes with this, which is very small. And here's the inside. Oh, and I also managed that this is overfilling, but there's a hole on the side, as you can see. Also, there's like a water inlet right there, so that's where the water's coming out of. Oh shoot, I need to turn this off because it's already overflowing. So yeah, so this, the soft cycle, so that soft thing, that is, so if I switch it to there, I turn in one direction for 5 seconds and turn in the other direction for 5 seconds, then it keeps repeating that. So this time, I'm gonna, so when I change it on standard face, turn in one direction for 9 seconds and turn the other direction for 9 seconds. So yeah, there's a little bit of a difference. So also, I'm gonna show you that don't worry, I'm gonna use the spin dryer, so you would be able to see. I'm not gonna have it closed while it's working, so. I'm gonna put it in there for about 12 minutes. I should put it in there for 9 minutes, so here it is. Okay, so that, as you can see, it's draining because draining down into the hole you can see. Then it's coming in here. So hold on, watch. Wait for it. Yeah, everything saw that water came out. So it goes in to the spin dryer, as you can see. And then it drains out through the tube. So yeah, I'm not gonna I'm gonna let you guys get right here.